Hello students and my dear friends, welcome back to Milne Academy. Since the exams are on the corner, they are very near. I hope you are following my videos, are practicing hard and not wasting time. To help you more in the examination, I come up today with one more question, very important question from the model question paper 1BMATE S201 for the CSE branch. That is Milne's method. A compulsory question and a very easy one. Don't skip this question. There is a high probability of the same question repeating in the examination. So let's solve this. So to solve this question, the problem here is using Milne's method to compute y at x equals 0.8 from the data derived x so and so x minus y square with the data given, that is y of 0 is 0, y of 0.2 is 0.02, 0.4 is 0.0795 and lastly y of 0.6 is 0.1762. So since data is given, I will make a systematic table from it and then solve it to get a correct answer. Okay. Now you see that all the values are given. See 0, 0, 0.8, 0.02, 0.4, 0.0795, 0.6, 0.1762. We need to find 0.8. So see, this is x, this is y. Okay. So what we have here is, see, first, what is x? 0, 0. Then 0.2, 0.02. It's very simple process. Next 0.4, 0.0795, then 0.6, 0.1762. Now 0.8, how much we need to find? Okay. Next we have what is given. See, in the question dy by dx is equal to x minus y square. Only this will vary. Okay, this factor will vary and the table will vary, data will vary. So see this factor here, dy by dx is equal to x minus y square. So I will take this as y dash is equal to x minus y square. Fine. Now these all are the values for x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, and these are values for y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Fine. Now therefore we can write first, see, we have this as what? x0 and this as what? y0. Correct? Okay, x0 and y0. Now first we need to find the value of y0 dash. See here, y0 dash will be this 0 minus, see, the only for the what dy by dx x minus y square, dy by dx x minus e raised to y, whatever it is, all the new logs, so whatever, only this changes. So based on this now, it's very easy, use a calculator. See, x is what? 0 minus y square 0 square, that is equal to how much? 0 only. Then y x1 y1. So we need y1 dash is equal to 0.2 minus 0.02 the whole square. So let's evaluate this using calculator. So we get 0.2 minus 0.02 whole square. That is coming around 0.1996. 0.1996. Then similarly, y2 dash is equal to, it will be 0.4 minus 0.0795 the whole square, and that will be 0.4. Whatever equation they given here, dy by dx is equal to, same you have to apply, y dash is equal to, and put the values. Okay, so 0.4 minus bracket 0.0795 the whole square is equal to, it is coming as 0.3938, 0.39368. Okay, or you can write 0.3937. No issue, you can put it there, no problem. Okay, next 0.6. So y3 dash will be 0.6 minus 0.1762 the whole square. This table is very important. So evaluate this, 0.6 minus bracket 0.1762 the whole square, and this comes around 0.5689. 0.5689. That's all. So we have all the values here. Okay. Now we need to use Milne's method to find a, see, Milne is a predictor and a corrector method. There are two formulas, and these formulas you need to memorize. Please refer the previous videos on my playlist. There I have mentioned the theory also and the formulas also. Okay. Here I do directly. Okay. So write here Milne's method. So in Milne's method, we have two things. One is predictor, other is corrector. Predictor is the approximate value, corrector is the exact value. So first, Milne's predictor formula. Milne's predictor formula. So the Milne's predictor formula, underline this, is given as. So you need to memorize the formula here. So the Milne's predictor formula is given as y4th prediction is equal to y0 plus 4h over 3 into 2 y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 y3 dash. This is the predictor formula. Now let's put all the values in the calculator and see. So we have y4th of prediction is equal to, everything is available in the table here. What is y0? It's 0 plus 4 into h is, see, h is size. What size is 0, 0.2, 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. So size is 0.2. Okay. So 0.2 upon 3 into 2 into, use the bracket properly. What's y1 dash? 0.1996 minus, what is y2 dash? 0.3937 plus 2 into, what is y3 dash? It's 0.5689. Okay. So we have here, let's evaluate this. So put a bracket, make the use of brackets correctly in calculator. Bracket 2 into 0.1996 close minus 0.3937 plus bracket 2 into 0.5689 equals into 4 into 0.2 equals divided by 3 equals, so we are getting it as 0.30. So y4th prediction is equal to 0.30488. That implies y4th prediction is equal to, I can approximate to 0.3049. So we got a y4 predicted value here. So let's underline this. Okay. Now since we have the predicted value, we will find for y4 dash. See, x4 I got y4 approximate value. I will find for y4 dash. Why? Because I will tell you that is important. This value we are going to substitute in the corrector formula. Okay. First we will find the value here. So what is y dash? X minus y square. So y4 occurs at 0.8. So 0.8 minus what you got y4, we got 0.3049 the whole square, 0.3049 the whole square. I hope you are practicing along with me. Okay. I am showing the most easiest way possible. So please practice along with me. Do one problem, that's enough. You can solve any problem. It's my guarantee. Okay. Now 0.8 minus bracket 0.3049 square equals it comes, so y4 dash equals 0.707. Okay. So we have y4 dash is equal to 0. How much? I'll underline this, 707. Now comes the corrector formula. So right here. So Milne's corrector formula. Milne's corrector formula. So Milne's corrector formula will be, again I am telling you, both the predictor corrector to memorize it. So corrector formula is y4th of correction is equal to y2 plus h over 3 bracket y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus it's what? y4 dash. You need to memorize it. Okay. Now I hope you understood the need of finding y4 dash. So whatever you find now is y4 dash. That we will put it here. Getting it? So we know. So that implies y4 correction is equal to, we know the value of y2. What's y2? It's 0.0795 plus h is 0.2 over 3 into, what's y2 dash? It's 0.3937 plus 4 into, what's y3 dash? It's 0.5689 plus y4 dash is what you found, 0.707. That's it. Now let's evaluate again and find the correct answer. So we have, it says 0, first we will do for this, okay. 0. First do for this, then multiply 0.2 by 3 plus this one, 0.3937 plus bracket 4 into 0.5689 plus 0.707 equals into 0.2 equals divided by 3 equals plus 0.0795 equals 0.3045. Sorry, or we are getting 0. So y4th correction is equal to 6. Predictor was 0.3049. Okay. And the corrector answer I am getting is 0.304588. So y4, that is approximately equal to 0.3046. So I can directly write now, therefore what we ask to find y of 0.6 is equal to 0.8, my bad, 0.8 no. So 0.8 is equal to, corrector value is the exact value, 0.8 is equal to 0.3046. Okay, so y of 0.8 is equal to, we can write here 0.3046, and if you want to find y4 dash for this, so you can easily find as, it is 0.8 minus bracket 0.3046 the whole square, that will be 0.8 minus 0.3046 the whole square, that is 0.7072. Okay, 22, whatever, 722, that's the answer. So this is the corrected value. So the predicted, there will be small difference. See, the predicted value of was 0.3049, corrected value is the exact value, that is how much, 0.304. This is how easy the Milne's method is. So you got y of 0.8 plus 0.3046. I hope you clearly understood it. So make the table, it will be very easy for you. Okay, see, that's all. See, all the problems in Milne's will be same. So you need to follow the same structure, same table, everything will be same. So that's what I am telling you again. Please do practice it. Okay, you practice one question 2-3 times, yes, 7 marks is 100% guaranteed. That's all. Okay. So and again, examinations are around the corner. So I wish you best for the exams, and please practice well. Okay. See, don't just watch the videos, take a notebook, solve every problem. Pause the videos and please do practice along with me. Till then, until next time, happy engineering, best of luck for your exams. Bye.